So, Article 11, justifying circumstances and circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. Justifying circumstances, the following do not incur any criminal liability. Number 1, anyone who acts in defense of his person or rights, provided that the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to repel it. Third, a lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Number 2, anyone who acts defense of on the person or rights of his spouse, descendants, or legitimate, natural, or adopted brothers or sisters, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degrees, and those by consanguinity written within the fourth civil degree, provided that the first and second requisite prescribed in the next proceedings circumstances or are prevent, and the further requisite in the case and a provocation was given by the person attacked, that the one make defense had no part therein. Number 3, anyone who acts in defense of the person or rights of a stranger, provided that the first and second requisite mentioned in the first circumstances of this article are presented, and that the person defending be not included by revenge, resentment, or other evil motive. Number 4, any person who, in order to avoid an evil or injury, does an act which causes damage to another, provided that the following requisites are presented. First, that the evil sought to be avoided actually exists. Second, that the injury feared be greater than that done to avoid it. Third, that there be no other practical and less harmful means of preventing it. Number 5, any person who acts in a fulfillment of the duty or the lawful exercise of the rights of office. Number 6, any person who acts in obedience to order issued by a superior for some lawful purposes.